Hello everybody, this is Vieira from Vieira Coins. We created this channel to talk about coins, paper money, precious metals, investment, the easy way everybody will be able to understand and learn from. Today we're gonna talk about gold and silver, if they're running out, and what happens when the gold runs out. The information I got from the article wrote by Ben Harvey Walker in February 19, 2019. He's from Agriculture located in Australia. I will leave the full article link on the description. So if you want to click on it and get more information, feel free to do so. I just want to state that I'm not a financial advice. Everything I talk about this video is from my own personal point of view. Don't take it as make a decision for your future, make a decision for investment. Okay, I'm not a financial advice. So let's talk about gold and silver if we're running out. On the ground of gold reserves are running out, it's time to think about making the most opportunities. I always have back in my mind is naked truth that existing below ground gold reserves can last forever. And I think everybody have the same way to think, like oil. Everybody knows it's not going to run forever. The same will be on precious metals, in this case, gold, silver, and others. That means that any discussions we have now about artisanal gold mine has to be in the context of some kind of time frame. We cannot ignore that happens when the gold runs out. The truth, by the end of the day, we don't have a control how many gold will be extracted on the earth. Unlike diamonds and many precious gemstones, metals like silver, gold, and platinum group metals cannot be manufactured from other raw materials in a factory. What exists on the planet Earth is all we have available. Sooner or later, underground reserves are going to run out, or what more like is that will become uneconomic to recover. So at some point, or they will run out, or it's going to become really expensive to extract the gold, silver, or even platinum under the ground. From some previous reading I had in my mind, there might be about 30 years of gold reserves still available. In theory, gold reserves could run out in less than 20 years. Like I say, in theory. 20 years might be sound like a long time, but I bet many of you can remember exactly what you're doing on Christmas Eve 1999. Right, folks? It's almost 20 years down the track. Time's fly, right? On the other hand, as gold prices go up, rates of mine development and extension will likely to go up as well. So they might will cancel each other out. Or the gold is going to run out first, or it's going to be extremely expensive to to mine gold and silver, so one is gonna kill another one. Which one's coming first? We don't know, but likely will happen. That's really important. Pay attention. Estimated underground gold reserves on 2018 was 54,000 tons. Information from U.S. Geological Survey in 2018. Current mine production rates is approximately at 3,300 tons per year. The information from World Gold Council from 2018. If you take 54,000 tons divided by 3,300 tons mined per year, literally you get 16.4. That 16.4 is a years left for all no gold reserve to be exploited, if you're assuming nothing else change. Of course, others think will change. Perhaps the timeline will extend to 20 years, or 25 years, or maybe even 30 years. One thing is certain though, underground gold reserves are going to run out with most of our lifetimes. Some are predicting that gold mine run out, gold price could be as high of $10,000 to $13,000 per ounce of gold. That's a 6 times with the current price right now. I'm entirely speculating, but it's an interesting number. And how about the silver and platinum group metals? The story around silver is like that of gold. The underground reserve is expected to last a little longer. Again, according to U.S. Geological Survey in 2018, there is around 530,000 tons of silver reserves mining underground. The annual production rate is about 25,000 tons. With the simple math, you take 530,000 tons divided by 25,000, will get 21.2 years of supply of silver, in theory, if it's nothing change. In an article published by Rupert and Massari in ResearchGate in 2018, they suggest burning out of silver will be around 2055. On the other hand, you have about 35 years or so as a time frame. As for the platinum group metals, the immediate future looks a bit less uncertain. Current underground reserves are about 69,000 tons. Information from Geological Survey in 2018. With annual mining production sitting for just 530 tons. Again, if you take 69,000 tons divided by 530 tons, you get 130 years. However, once again, we might expect the dynamics of price, the maintenance and difficulties, and the cost of extractions and refinery to stretch out the time frame for gold, silver, and even for platinum. What does that mean in million terms future hold? As price for gold and silver go up, which they will, striking these precious metals is going to become an even more attractive proportional for miners and the government alike. Maybe as coin collector and the coin investor and the coin community, if you see how many more bullions every country start to make a year, and they even change the signs more than ever. Right now, just had information from US Mint from tomorrow. They will hike those price on silver bullions and the silver coins. As I make a video talk about them. We already can tell the government have huge impact on the future of precious metals. You already can tell they focus more on business prospect than just strike a coin. Maybe that's why they invest so much money to change the signs to low mintage. 1 year they make a high mintage, they change the proof alike, whatever it is, and another year they make a really low mintage, so just to hike those prices. And they know better than us about what's going on underneath of the crown. Okay guys, once again, this is Vieira from Vieira Coins. That's my website here. I have Vieira Coins website, and I have 2 links: Shop Wholesale. Shop Wholesale, you selling coin surprise as wholesale in boxes or bullions, and Shop eBay, you see a lot of small quantity of coin surprise as retail prices, and coins, paper money, bullions. That's over 1,000 items. You try to update daily, and we ship for free anywhere in the United States. Thanks so much for this time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon.